Good morning and welcome to Geordie's 2-minute cheap and chatty tip. Now in these 2-minute tips I'm going to show you some cheap and chatty solutions to expensive problems. Now the first one is trowels. I mean, we all use them, we all need them, but they're not cheap. Now this one was a few quid, and I don't mean a few quid, you know, it's a nice size though. It's more of a scoop than a trowel, and it's absolutely perfect for when I'm trying to fill pots up. You get a pot up, you scoop it in, you know, you get it in and it's done. But if you haven't got one, I bet what you have got, you know, is an old plastic milk bottle. Not those dead thin ones, but the ones a little bit thicker. I won't mention brand names, but it's very good. So all you need is this and a laundry marker. Watch carefully, highly technical. Corner down, over the top, corner down, across the front. That wasn't hard, was it? Now where the tricky bit comes in, and you must ask an adult for help here, is in cutting it, because it'll just come off. So the thing is, get a spike, put it down, keep looking when you do it, mind, and then simply cut it. And I do say simply, emphasis on the word simple, like. So all you're going to do really is you're going to cut off a bit of the whole bottle. Now don't worry, you cannot make a mistake with this because you just trim it again later. See what I'm doing? Just trim it. So there, for instance, if I go across the bottom there, won't make much of a scoop because it's got a bit of a lip on it. Abracadabra. The lip has gone, and as if by magic. Now normally on Blue Peter they'd say make sure you wash this out first, but on Geordie's cheap and chatty tips, don't worry about that, it'll help feed the plants. £10.99, nothing. Oh look, let's just improve its design slightly. Job done. But does it work, you might ask? Oh yes, it works perfectly. Cheers. Oh, that's shit. Now here's another quick Geordie's cheap and chatty chips. Take 2.